Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this double cut crease makeup tutorial. I only actually filmed my eyes today because I do my face on camera every single time and I don't change up the products that often. So I know you guys might get a bit bored of seeing it, but if you want to see what I put on my face, it's in basically every other one of my videos. But yeah, my lip today is Stripped Liquid Lipstick by Anastasia and Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Skinny Dip. I really hope I don't have any on my teeth because that would be awkward. No, we're good. Yeah, if you guys do want to see how to get this makeup look, please keep on watching. But before I let you carry on with the video, I've got to get that promo. So leave a like, comment, and if you are new here, please do subscribe and turn on my post notifications. And yeah, all my social medias are linked in the description box. So if you want to see more of me, please do follow me on those. And yeah, today I actually used the Anastasia Soft Glam eyeshadow palette because I already filmed a tutorial with this before, as some of you guys may know, but I really didn't like the way it turned out. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna whip this palette out again, give it another go, and I love it. I mean, it was only my second time ever doing a double cut crease, so I think I did pretty well considering that. But yeah, let me know how you guys think I did in the comments. Please don't be too harsh. But yeah, if you guys want to see how to get this makeup look, please just keep on watching, and I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year, wherever you may be in the world, and I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the weird setup. I'm having a bit of a mare with my I can't say that word. Equipment at the moment. Basically, my ring light's broken, my camera's a little bit broken as well. I needed to film for you guys and I really wanted to as well. So I'm gonna be doing a double cut crease, at least trying to, with the Soft Glam palette. It looks like this because I didn't really like the first look that I did with it. So I'm gonna try and do a better one. And hopefully it goes to plan. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M441 and mix Orange Soda and Burnt Orange into my crease. They're these two shades just here. Blend those into my crease. I've already primed and set my eyelid, by the way, guys. We're gonna bring this really high up as well. Anytime I do a cut crease, I like to bring my crease a lot higher than I normally would so that we can really see every color that we put in, especially like a double cut crease, because if we put it like lower, then we won't have enough space for the other cut crease that we're gonna do. If that makes any sense. I think I'm talking gibberish, but just blend that in your crease, but bring it higher than you normally would, is what I'm trying to say. I haven't talked to you guys in so long. The reason I've been away is because I wanted to film on the weekend, but all my I can't say that word. All my equipment broke. Like literally just boom, gone. I literally tried to put my ring light on my camera on my ring light and it just wasn't having any of it, and I was like, this could not be happening. But it was. RIP. But I was like, I can't be dealing with this anymore, so I just DIY'd a tripod. My camera is probably gonna break, but it is what it is. Also, if you guys can see some leftover foundation on my face, like here, it's because I was at college today. That's also why I've still got mascara on, because I couldn't be bothered to take it all off. This brush has purple on it, but we're gonna ignore that, and we are going to take the Sienna shade in the palette, which is this one right here. This one, and we're just gonna take it on a pencil brush and put it more in our crease. Still bringing it slightly higher than you normally would. I'm also bringing this all the way into my inner corner. Not inner corner, but like inner crease area kind of thing. All my brushes are dirty. This is really annoying. I'm gonna take my Zoeva Luxe Petite Crease brush and start blending that out. All my brushes are dirty with different colors because the other day I did like a rainbow cut crease kind of thing. It was like a double cut crease as well, actually. Completely, like all my brushes are different colors because I didn't want the colors to merge, so I used every single brush that I have well, not every single brush, that's an overstatement, but you know what I mean. Like, I used so many brushes and all of them are like different colors. So one's yellow, one's orange, one's purple. That's what happens when you do rainbow makeup looks. Wing this out as well, guys, if you want. I'm winging it out because I want to. So if you want to recreate this, wing it out. What have you guys been up to recently? Because I feel like I haven't talked to you in ages, even though in reality it's been like, what, a week? I haven't really been up to much recently, to be honest. Just been at college, and that kind of thing. I think I'm gonna do this eye on camera and then do this eye off of camera because it'll just be easier. I can't find the brush that I wanted to use, so I'm just gonna use this random brush that I have. It's one that my college gave me, and I'm gonna go in with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer Pot thing, and I'm gonna pick this up and I'm gonna cut out my crease. Yeah, but you guys know my favorite brush to do this with is the Zoeva Luxe Petite Shader brush, but that's the brush that I can't find right now. I just went so out of frame doing that. Oops. When I do my cut crease, I have a habit of like going down, 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 and then I just get so out of frame. I'm so sorry, I just did basically all of that out of frame. Okay guys, I'm back. I just quickly set my eyelid off of camera with my RCMA No Color Powder. I took too long to set it and my concealer creased a little bit without me realizing. So I kind of set the creases into my eyeshadow, but we'll work with it, I hope. I'm gonna go ahead and define that like crease a bit more. I'm gonna go in with the Mulberry shade, which is this one right here. By the way, I'm taking this on a Zoeva brow line brush, but it's a bit thick. So I'm gonna take it on a Zoeva fine liner brush. Yeah, I'm gonna blend that with a Zoeva Luxe Petite Crease brush now. I'm gonna go back in with the pencil brush that I used, the one that I don't know the name of, and I'm gonna blend out that like Mulberry shade with a bit more of sienna. I'm gonna take this rose pink shade, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna spray it with some Fix Plus. It's quite powdery, the shade, like not powdery, but it's hard to explain. It's really like fine in texture. It's really hard to explain. It's really smooth, but like weirdly smooth, if that makes any sense. Yeah, I'm just gonna apply this on my eyelid, but leave a gap between this shadow and where we put the crease. Take this maybe 2/3 of the way across your eyelid. I'm gonna be well quiet when doing this as well, guys, because you guys know when I do my cut creases, I like to focus and not mess it up. I'm gonna take that Mulberry shade and mix it with a bit of sienna and start to apply that next to where we applied the rose pink shade. I'm actually gonna apply that with a random angled brush that I have. It looks like this. I don't know if that's focusing or not, but it's just an angled brush. And I'm mixing Mulberry and sienna together. Why is this going so patchy? I might change my brush. I just remembered I've only done one eye and I have to do the whole other eye off of camera. I'm gonna go in with the tiniest bit more concealer over that like line. I keep going down, I'm so sorry guys. I'm trying to show you guys what I'm doing and then I keep just going down. The question is, do I add glitter on that line that I've just created? Okay, so one person said glitter, one person said leave it. I'm gonna do the other eye off of camera and then I'll decide if I want to add glitter or not. And I'll be right back with you with the final look. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna do the lower lash line on camera, but I'll be back with you with foundation, all that jazz. Because I'm not gonna do my base on camera today because I always do it on camera and it's always the same. I'm gonna go do my base and I'll be back with you guys. Okay, bye. Hey guys, I'm back. I actually added glitter. I used the Stila Magnificent Metals glitter in the shade Kitten Karma, and these lashes are the House of Lashes Iconics. I'm pretty sure, at least. Don't quote me on that though, because I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I've done the rest of my face, highlighter, bronzer, foundation, concealer, everything. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line now. And obviously gonna use the Soft Glam palette. And I'm gonna take the shade Burnt Orange and blend that onto the whole lash line. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of sienna, apply it on the outer half, and then apply the tiniest bit of Mulberry on the very outer corner. Okay, so I'm gonna apply my eyeliner. This eyeliner is just the Makeup Forever Aqua XL eyeliner. Cool, I'm also gonna apply mascara, and this is my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This mascara is so good. Like, it was my favorite mascara ages ago, and then I went off it. I don't know why, I just forgot to buy a new one. I bought a new one the other day, and it is just amazing. Okay, I'm gonna film the outro now. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, you know what to do. Remember to leave a like, comment, and if you are new here, please do subscribe and turn on my little notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Remember to tag me in your photos on Instagram if you decide to recreate it. It's a bit out of my comfort zone, but still sticking with what I know and love, which you guys know is a good old cut crease. Like, I don't know why, I'm just so obsessed with them. But yeah, this is only my second time ever doing a double cut crease, so if you guys don't think it looks the best, please do cut me some slack. It's only my second time ever trying to do one of these. But yeah, I really enjoyed filming this video, and I hope you guys liked it too. I'm really happy with how this makeup look turned out. Please do follow me on all my social medias. Links are in the description bar. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year, wherever you may be in the world, and I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.
till you find your way back home.